What if I told you there's an easy fix to go ahead and save your shoes but also your style as well? Stay with me to go ahead and discover exactly how these Crease Protectors work, and also so you can see why exactly they're a game changer for sneakerheads just like us. But with that being said, you guys, stay tuned for the end because I'll share a special tip to go ahead and save your sneakers until they can look fly at all times. With that being said, first things first, you guys, I do want to share with you guys what exactly Crease Protectors are. So basically, this is an example of a crease protector. This is a silicone version, and a little story actually behind these. For some reason, I only have this, but I actually bought a pack of 10. But I actually just used the first one and just kind of just lost the rest of them when I kind of moved. But with that being said, they have 3 different versions. They have a silicone like this, they have a foam, and they also have a plastic base. And I also actually applied some down below in the description, so it's easy for you guys to find. But with that being said, crease protectors basically stop your shoes from creasing. And an example of that I can show you are these shoes right here. These shoes have creased, I'm not gonna lie, but they actually haven't creased to the max. And I'll show you a sneaker crease to the max right here on the screen. But with that being said, I've had these sneakers for about 2 years or so, and I've actually utilized the crease protectors. And obviously, as you guys can tell from the picture, when you don't have the crease protectors in at all, it makes your shoes look a hell of a lot worse. But with that being said, you guys, I do want to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to go ahead and put them in, and hopefully you guys are able to see them. But this is a good example of a sneaker I got. It's newer than the other white Air Force that I had, but I do utilize the crease protectors, and as you guys can see, it has worked amazingly. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and insert them. Basically what you want to go ahead and do, you just go ahead and insert them in the tongue. As you guys can see, you just take it and make sure it's for the right foot. You can go ahead and feel it when you put it in, and you can tell that it's the right one. But you want to go ahead and just insert it all the way. If y'all can see, it's that little white right here, if I can kind of get in the light. But yeah, it's that little white thing at the very end, and it kind of sits right here in the front. You guys let me know if you guys can see that. Let me know down below in the comments, and if it's not clear, I can go ahead and make a video another time. But with that being said, it basically protects shoes that have this type of material, whether it may be leather, just other types like Jordans, things of that nature. Because obviously, let's say you have a sneaker that's more of like the running shoe type that has like this more meshy type of flimsy and flexible type of material. You won't have to utilize this, and it'll probably be quite uncomfortable, just because you're probably going to be doing more active things than these. And these actually don't crease. As you guys can see, they just go back to form. But with that being said, the actual crease protector just prevents your shoes from creasing, and it just keeps it kind of keeps your shoe stiff, and it kind of keeps it and holds them together. But with that being said, the crease happens basically when you go ahead and flex your foot, or when you go ahead and go for a step. But with that being said, I'm pretty sure you guys have experienced this if you guys have had a couple of sneakers. But with that being said, the problem with the creasing basically is that, as I was showing you, this isn't the worst example, but it will indeed cause your shoe to look even worse than this. And we definitely don't want those shoes that we spend a lot of money on. We don't want them to be creased, because that would just overall ruin the value of the shoe and just make the shoe look a whole lot worse. But with that being said, the benefits of the crease protectors, as you guys probably would be able to know, is simply it allows your shoes to look clean. And a clean example of some shoes that have used crease protectors are these right here. These actually just dropped last week, so you guys should be seeing a video on my channel pretty soon. But these are the Nike Retro Low SEs, I believe that's the full name. But these are a very dope sneaker, and your sneaker basically should look like this in the front every time you have those crease protectors in, because they won't be creased. It looks like a brand new sneaker. But with that being said, I basically show you guys how to use them. I showed you guys the benefits, and basically the only thing that I need to tell you guys is why you need them. Basically, you guys, the main reason why you guys need these crease protectors is because you want to go ahead and keep your sneakers looking clean and fresh at all times. We do not want our sneakers to look dingy and old and things like that. But with that being said, yeah, especially when you pay a lot of money for your sneakers, you definitely do not want them to go out of style. You want to keep them fresh at all times. I did want to just refresh you guys, give you guys some sneaker game. And yeah, this is going to be a game changer, you guys. This is a game changing sneaker accessory. You definitely want to cop one of these, and then again, I'll keep a link down below in the description if you guys do want to go ahead and cop. With all that being said, you guys, I really recommend the sneaker protectors, and if you guys do want to see some more how-to videos from me, go ahead and click the playlist up here